Welcome everyone. Thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. And today we are going to go over some tools we just got from Rewa Company. And as you can see, we've also reviewed their other products. Here we have nice 5-piece screwdriver set. And you can see there the different heads that you have. They're going to cover most of your basic repair needs. If you have a cell phone repair business and you're repairing small electronics such as cell phones, tablets, MacBooks, and other laptops. And of course, this screwdriver storage holder, which is the RS40. So on with the unboxing and just basically going over what we got here. I'm going to start with the screwdriver holder. And this is very different than what you have seen in the past because you most likely have these screwdrivers that are spinners, but these have magnetic bases, and the base can spin one direction and the top the other way. So you have, and look at that, I like that. Look at the Refox emblem there. Very nice, very cool. Kind of goes with that, pretty nice. So you have your base, which has a little rubber piece in the bottom so it does not scratch your table. If you have like a wooden table, you can put it on your table. And as you're repairing a device, you can start putting in your screws here, and the magnets here are very strong enough to hold the screws. So let's give it a test. I have placed a few screws on there and a little bracket from an iPhone in there. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to shake it. Look at that. I'm shaking it very aggressively and it's not falling out. So the magnetic area is very strong. Now, if you think that, oh yeah, the screws are tiny, of course they're not going to fall out. I'm going to take another screw. This one's a little bit bigger. I'm going to put it there. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to shake it aggressively as well. And as you can see, it's not falling out. So very, very cool screwdriver holder. Thank you guys for sending that over to us. And now we're going to go into, look at that, you can have one thing spinning one way and the other one spinning the other way. So really, really cool stuff. I like that. All right, so let's go into the screwdrivers. Just get them off the plastic bag. And again, thank you Refox and Rewa Company for sending this to us. Get these guys out of here. So take a look at that. That's also pretty cool the way they laid these out with the different colors. Okay. So let's go with the Phillips. I'll open it from the bottom. Let's check it out. I guess I'm very anxious to open this up and try out the tool. All right, let's see. Oh, just what I thought. So I'm already starting to see something I really like, and that is that these are color coded. So very, very cool. Look at the spin on this. Very nice. So put that in there, and you have the other slots. So just to verify this, let's get them all out. So this one will have the blue. So this is the actual triangular head, and you'll see that on the box. Very cool, because if you start memorizing which color of your screwdriver has which head, you already have it there. You just reach out for the color. So the one you're going to need to open up every iPhone in the bottom is your penelope, right? So if you remember, and look at this, you have the official seal from Refox, and that's how you know you're getting a genuine product from them. So the penelope, which is the one you're going to use to open up every single iPhone out there, if you just kind of make that mental and memorize that the color for that one is going to be orange or amber, you know that that's the one you're going to reach out for to open up your iPhone. And there you have it right there. Now you also have them on the top, which makes it easier for access. So once you have this in there, you're already going to know from looking at the top. Very cool stuff. So very nice little set if you're looking at something to keep your desk area organized, or if you have like another workstation, maybe for another employee, you can have it that way. So here's another one. Here's the Torx, and this one is violet or purple. And again, looking at the box is the T2 Torx. And then last, we have the Philips Convex, and that one is green. There you go, right there, Convex Cross or Philips, and there you go, green color. There you go, pretty cool. I like how they logoed that. And they're very, very freewheeling as far as the spin on the top. So there you go. You have a base to hold your screwdrivers. And the model number again is the RS40. And then you have the 5-piece screwdriver set. And additionally, of course, you can add other tools around it as you wish. And then you also have this handy magnetic screw holder, and they're labeled for all the way from A to F. So you can label them according to the way you take out your screws, so you know when you're putting them back in, you know which, you know, how they go. The same way you took them out is the same way you took them. So if you put your 2 penelope on A, and then the triangular screws here and so forth, you'll know that as you start putting it back, you're going to work your way back, and you should end up with the last 2 screws that are your penelope screws on A. So anyway, thank you very much for watching our video. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom. I will post a link where you can get these. When I hold them in my hand, they're lightweight, yet they feel like really good quality. They don't feel flimsy. And I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but you probably have had many of these flimsy ones, and you can tell when you hold them in your hand. Or I once had one that I dropped on the floor and the tip just broke off. So these are strong. And let me see something here. Yeah, they do pick up the screws very well from the tray, so you can see that there. Let me put a background there so you can see it. Yeah, there you go. So it picks up the screw right from the, and look at that, it places it back on there with no issue. So really good, guys. Go ahead and give them a try, and I'd say give it a shot. Go ahead and try them out. We'll see you next time.